Can I shoot your car? So again, he wasn't part of the group, but I gotta show it to my fans because, you know, this is a beautiful car too. What year is your Woody?
46.
46? Nice. You're from Santa Cruz?
Sounds like.
Okay, you drove it over the hill?
Just drive over.
Yeah. This is nice. I like it. I don't get too many Woodies on the channel, so I want to take opportunity to show it off.
9-inch.
Oh, Mustang 2?
Yeah, Mustang 2 and
Okay.
9-inch Ford rear end.
Okay.
But I get 10 miles a gallon.
Yeah, well, you can't ask for more than that. Yeah, but you got the 9-inch, so you got a nice strong rear end. You got a solid suspension.
Really
Yeah.
good road car.
That's cool. I like it. And the wood is nice.
This is all stock up here.
And it's real wood too, right?
Yeah, it's mahogany and maple.
Mahogany and maple.
That's what That's what Ford came out with.
Okay. All right.
Came out with mahogany. So yeah, it's all. We've had it, of course, all redone. So
All right.
It's like a work of art.
Yeah, it is. It's beautiful.
Yeah.
And it's a 5-speed, 4-speed?
Four.
4-speed.
Four.
Oh, nice. That's on the floor too.
And it's a 350.
Oh, that's sweet.
350 transmission.
Okay. All right. What's your name?
Richard.
Richard. It was nice meeting you today, Richard.
Okay.
You enjoy your weekend.
Okay, yeah.
All right. Take it easy. All right. So that's Richard there. He's got a nice Woody. So we want to stop by and just, you know, show the subscribers something different because we don't get a lot of Woodies on the channel, if any at all so far. So it's a Mercury. It's got a Ford Mustang 2 front suspension and a 9-inch rear end with a turbo 350 transmission. Shifter on the floor, obviously. All right. If you like what you saw today, remember to smash that like button. And if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell to be notified of my next episodes. I do drop fresh content weekly, every Monday. So make sure you go ahead and subscribe to that channel. Hit that notification bell. I'm not going to stop saying it because I'm trying to grow this channel, and that's the only way to do it. So until next time, family, peace.